Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
TF cards, transflash cards, also known as micro SD cards, are primarily used for storage purposes in mobile devices, cameras, and GPS devices. To use a TF card, first ensure your device is powered off. Insert the TF card into the slot provided, usually labeled or easily identifiable on your device, making sure it's facing the correct direction as indicated. Once inserted, power on your device. Format the card if prompted, which prepares it for use. You can now save or transfer files to the TF card, effectively increasing your device's storage capacity.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.